So you might have seen some of the recent news reports about how Social Security is going broke, or how we're going to be running out of money and we won't have enough to pay out in benefits by the year 2034, or whatever else you might have read or seen on the news. So these headlines, they could seem pretty scary, and it might make you wonder, should I adjust my retirement plan in some way? So I want to share my thoughts, and then I want to share how we're planning for our clients as it relates to Social Security, its solvency, and the ability to pay out benefits in the future. But first, welcome back, or if I haven't met you yet, I'm Dave Zoller, and I run a wealth management firm, Streamline Financial, with my business partner, Tim, and our team, and we help people plan for and live their ideal retirement. So if you like helpful videos specifically on retirement, consider subscribing. So with all these headlines coming out, should we be worried? Just to note, this is my opinion, and I wouldn't make any decisions based on it. Really, it's best to talk with your financial professional. But in my opinion, I don't think we should be as worried as the news says we should be. Really, these headlines, they might seem pretty bad, but I'm going to give you some reasons why I think we're going to be okay. Now, we can't ignore that Social Security does face some funding challenges. For a long time, it collected more than what it had paid out, and that built up a surplus. But now the system's paying out more than what it's actually collecting, mainly because the retiree population is growing faster than the working population, and they're also living longer. So if nothing is changed, and what the news articles are stating is that the surplus is projected to run out by 2034. But even then, Social Security isn't broke. It still collects tax revenues and it still pays benefits. According to the latest estimate, it would only be paying about 78% of the scheduled benefit. Now, to avoid that, Congress would have to fix the problem similar to how they did in 1983 when reserves were also being depleted. Some of the ways they could do this is they could increase the full retirement age by a few years for people under 50 or 40, or they could increase the payroll tax rate. They might not fix this soon because usually what you and I both know is that they have to wait till the very last minute before anything does get done. But because this is a pay-as-you-go system, and as long as workers and employers are paying payroll taxes, Social Security shouldn't run out of money. So I wouldn't be too worried about it. But if you are still worried and this video didn't help, then maybe think about this. You could take your existing retirement plan and then run a scenario where it shows a plan, but it's only paying out 80% of what you expected for Social Security. See what result that gives you, see what the future income and what the success of the plan looks like. So that's one thought, hopefully to ease your mind. But for now, continue to focus on the things that you can control, like saving the right amount for retirement, proper investing strategies, and tax planning so you don't have to pay more than you need to in taxes. So I hope that was helpful and maybe it eased your mind just a little bit. If it was helpful, then please like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Take care.